Welcome children in bio class. Children, today in bio class I am going to teach you cell cycle. You have to know the cell cycle is a 4-stage process in which the cell increase in size, copies its DNA, prepare to divide and divide. A cell undergoes various changes before cell division. The changes in the cell occur during interphase, followed by cell division, forming daughter cells. The process continues in daughter cells also in cyclic form. The cell cycle include two phases. One is the interphase and other is M phase or mitosis. Interphase has divided into three subphases, that is G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. Interphase is also called resting phase. There, resting phase or interphase and mitosis or M phase. These are the two phases in the cell cycle. Interphase divided into first growth phase, synthesis phase and second growth phase. In the first growth phase, the cell increase in size. In the synthesis phase, that is S phase, copies its DNA. There is synthesis of the DNA. And in the second growth phase, there is synthesis of RNA and proteins. So RNA and proteins are synthesized in the second growth phase or G2 phase. Mitosis divided into karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is the division of nucleus and cytokinesis is division of cytoplasm. Karyokinesis further divided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So children, you have to study in the cell cycle there are two phases, interphase and M phase. Interphase is divided into first growth phase, synthesis phase and second growth phase. In the first growth phase there is growth in the size of the cell. So when there is the growth in the size of the cell, their chloroplast divide, mitochondria divide, RNA and proteins are synthesized. In the second phase, that is the synthesis phase of interphase, DNA is synthesized. Chromosomes duplicate but remain attached to the centromere. In the second growth phase, more RNA and proteins are synthesized, which are essential for the division of the cell. Further, in M phase, that is the cell divides in this phase. So there is karyokinesis, division of nucleus, cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm. Karyokinesis prophase, in this chromatin network change into chromosomes. Metaphase, chromosomes arranged at equator. In anaphase, sister chromatids of each chromosomes separate and pulled towards the opposite poles. Last one is telophase. In this, daughter chromosomes reach opposite poles.